modern vehicles are sophisticated networks of electronic control units, or ECUs, functioning as the car's central nervous system. These digital brains store critical operational data, from engine parameters to safety protocols. Yet, a perplexing phenomenon occasionally occurs. A vehicle's ECU appears to suffer from acute amnesia, inexplicably forgetting vital programming and rendering the car inert or dangerously erratic. This profound loss of memory, often sudden and without clear precedent, presents a significant diagnostic challenge and a mystery rooted deep within the automotive network architecture. Understanding why these complex systems suddenly lose their stored intelligence is paramount to ensuring vehicle reliability and safety. The electronic control unit is not a singular brain but a collective of specialized microcontrollers. Each ECU manages specific vehicle functions, such as engine control, anti-lock braking, or infotainment. These units rely on various memory types: volatile RAM for temporary data during operation, and non-volatile memory like flash or EEPROM for storing critical software, calibration tables, and learned parameters that persist even when power is off. Engine maps, transmission shift points, and diagnostic trouble codes are meticulously held within this non-volatile storage, forming the operational intelligence that defines the vehicle's behavior. Any corruption to these stored values has immediate, tangible consequences for vehicle performance. Crucially, these individual ECUs do not operate in isolation. They form an intricate communication network, a digital web connecting every module in the vehicle. The Controller Area Network, or CAN bus, is the most prevalent protocol, allowing ECUs to exchange sensor data, commands, and status updates at high speeds. Other protocols, like LIN for simpler functions, FlexRay for high-speed, safety-critical applications, and increasingly Automotive Ethernet, further segment and specialize this communication. This networked architecture enables complex interdependencies, but it also introduces vulnerabilities. The concept of a single brain is an oversimplification. Instead, it is a distributed intelligence, reliant on continuous, accurate information exchange across this complex digital infrastructure. The central mystery remains: why does this sophisticated, interconnected brain suddenly forget? Data loss in an automotive context is not a simple file deletion. It can manifest as corrupted calibration values, missing operational software, or a complete reset of learned parameters to factory defaults. The root causes are multifaceted, ranging from instantaneous power disruptions during critical write cycles, to insidious software bugs introduced during updates, or even the subtle degradation of memory cells over time. Each scenario presents a unique set of symptoms and diagnostic challenges, obscuring the precise mechanism of memory erasure within the vehicle's intricate electronic system. One primary culprit behind sudden memory loss is an unstable or abruptly interrupted power supply. ECUs require a constant, clean voltage supply for reliable operation, especially during write cycles to non-volatile memory. A sudden drop in battery voltage, a loose terminal connection, or a failing alternator can trigger an immediate power cut to one or more modules. If this occurs precisely while an ECU is writing new data or configuration settings to its flash or EEPROM memory, the operation can be incomplete or corrupted. This incomplete write can leave the memory sector in an undefined state, effectively forgetting the intended data or rendering the entire memory block inaccessible. Beyond power fluctuations, software corruption represents a significant threat to ECU memory integrity. This can occur during the programming or reprogramming process, such as a firmware update. If the update file itself is flawed, or if the communication channel is interrupted during the transfer, the ECU's operating system or critical data maps can become corrupted. Similarly, software bugs within the ECU's own code can lead to memory management issues, overriding critical data sectors or causing unintended resets. This type of data loss is particularly insidious as it may not manifest immediately, instead causing intermittent, unpredictable malfunctions over time. Hardware degradation is another potential pathway to memory failure. Like any electronic component, the memory chips themselves have a finite lifespan and are susceptible to environmental factors. Extreme temperatures, excessive vibration, or even manufacturing defects can lead to the physical degradation of individual memory cells within the flash or EEPROM. Over time, these cells may lose their ability to reliably store data, resulting in read/write errors. Processor failures or issues with the ECU's internal power regulators can also indirectly cause memory corruption by providing unstable conditions for the memory chips, leading to data integrity issues. The network itself presents unique challenges. While an ECU's internal memory might be intact, communication failures can make it appear to have forgotten. If an ECU cannot reliably transmit or receive data over the CAN bus, other modules might interpret its silence as a failure or absence of information, leading to incorrect assumptions about the vehicle's state. For instance, a gateway ECU might forget how to route messages due to internal bus off states or incorrect addressing tables. Data packets containing learned parameters, if corrupted or dropped during transmission, can lead to receiving ECUs using outdated or default values, effectively acting as if the data was never communicated. Diagnosing these memory loss events is exceptionally challenging. The intermittent nature of some faults, especially those tied to power fluctuations or transit network glitches, makes replication difficult. Standard diagnostic tools primarily retrieve stored fault codes, but if the ECU has genuinely forgotten its programming, these codes might be absent or replaced by generic communication errors. Furthermore, the sheer complexity of inter-ECU dependencies means a fault in one module can manifest as symptoms in an entirely different part of the vehicle, obfuscating the true root cause. Technicians often face a complex puzzle with limited visible clues when confronted with a car that has seemingly lost its digital mind. The consequences of an ECU forgetting its parameters are severe and varied. An engine control unit losing its fuel maps can cause severe misfires, reduce power, or even prevent the engine from starting altogether. A transmission control module forgetting its shift points might result in harsh shifts, limp home mode, or an inability to engage gears. Critical safety systems, like ABS or electronic stability control, can become non-functional. Beyond operational failures, emission systems can malfunction, leading to increased pollution and failed inspections. In essence, any system governed by an ECU is susceptible, potentially rendering the vehicle unreliable, unsafe, or simply unusable. Automotive engineers implement various strategies to mitigate such failures and enhance fault tolerance. Redundancy is often employed, where critical data is stored in multiple locations or checksums are used to verify data integrity. Watchdog timers constantly monitor ECU operation, triggering a reset if a module becomes unresponsive, theoretically preventing indefinite hangs. Error-correcting codes are embedded within data packets on communication buses to detect and correct minor data corruption during transmission. However, these measures are not foolproof. Extreme events or cascading failures, particularly those affecting power supply or fundamental software operations, can overwhelm even robust fault-tolerant designs. Modern diagnostic approaches, while still challenged by memory loss, leverage sophisticated tools and data logging. Advanced scan tools can perform deeper interrogations of ECUs, reading live data streams, and sometimes even retrieving raw memory dumps for analysis. Event data recorders, similar to flight recorders, capture pre-collision or pre-failure vehicle parameters, offering clues about the conditions leading up to a memory loss event. Telematics systems can provide remote diagnostics, sending real-time operational data to manufacturers for analysis. Despite these advancements, the interpretation of complex network messages and transient electrical faults still requires considerable expertise and specialized equipment. Preventive measures focus on maintaining vehicle electrical system health and adhering to proper programming protocols. Ensuring the vehicle battery is in good condition and adequately charged is fundamental, especially before attempting any ECU updates. Using stable, high-quality power supplies during programming is critical to prevent mid-write interruptions. Adherence to manufacturer-specific diagnostic and repair procedures minimizes the risk of introducing software conflicts or physical damage. Avoiding unapproved aftermarket modifications that interfere with the vehicle's electrical system or communication networks can also prevent unforeseen memory corruption events. The future of automotive electronics points towards even greater complexity. The integration of advanced driver assistance systems, autonomous driving functionalities, and over-the-air updates will introduce new layers of software and network interactions. Edge computing, where processing occurs closer to the sensors, will distribute intelligence further, potentially multiplying points of failure for memory integrity. While these advancements promise enhanced capabilities, they also necessitate more robust error handling, secure communication protocols, and sophisticated diagnostic capabilities to safeguard against memory loss and ensure the continuous, reliable operation of the vehicle's digital brain. The phenomenon of a car's digital brain suddenly forgetting critical information highlights the intricate challenges of modern automotive engineering. It is a complex interplay of hardware resilience, software integrity, and the robust operation of distributed communication networks. While engineers continuously strive for more reliable and fault-tolerant systems, the occasional amnesia of an ECU serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance required to maintain a vehicle's intelligence. Understanding these underlying mechanisms is crucial for developing the next generation of truly dependable and intelligent vehicles, ensuring their memory remains steadfast on every journey.